Hello, my name is Salman Sayedi, and I am a postdoc fellow in the Department of Biomedical Informatics at Emory University. In this work, we investigate the potential leakage of sensitive data in training and sharing neural, which is the state-of-the-art algorithm for de-identification. The identification of the text from sensitive data, for example, flagging the patient names in electronic medical records, can be done by this deep network algorithm. We investigate potential leak of the training data with neural in this work. First layer in neural is for tokenization of words and characters. Second layer consists of bidirectional long short-term memory and a fully connected neural network, which is one of the points we use to attack the model. The third layer uses conditional random field to produce labels for different parts of the text and is another point of the attack for us. While we use different methods to attack neural, like using statistical distributions and probability cutoffs, and also membership inference attack, no instance of re-identification occurred. We do not claim we proved re-identification is impossible. Nevertheless, our work shows our extensive stress tests does not lead to any re-identification, and so the algorithm is reasonably safe to be trained and shared if one follows recommendations. Thank you.